How to fix Instagram emojis not showing or loading. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram when emojis are not showing or loading up. So sometimes when you try to text in Instagram, you'll see that you won't be able to send emojis or your emojis won't simply load up. So there are a number of reasons as to why this problem may be occurring. The first one being your internet connection. So if emojis are not loading, and if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. Now again load up Instagram, and if the emojis appear, that's great, but if it doesn't, it may be a bug in Instagram. So simply go to Play Store or your App Store and now search for Instagram. Now right over here, as you can see, it says open, meaning my app is currently up to date, but if yours says update, your app is not currently up to date, and that may be what is causing the error. So simply update your Instagram app and then try loading the emojis once again. But if it still doesn't work, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to apps. Now locate Instagram and then go to storage and cache. Now try clearing both your cache memory as well as all of the storage of your Instagram app. That way you'll have to log in to your Instagram account once again, and this time the emojis will surely show up. So that is basically how you fix Instagram emojis not showing or loading up. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.